Mother's Day mug cake. Quarter cup and 1 teaspoon flour. 2 tablespoon sugars. 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Just a little pinch of salt. Mix, mix. Mix, mix. 2 tablespoon butter. Melt. Melt butter. 3 tablespoons of milk. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Put in the milk.
Put in the melt. Melt butter.
Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it.
It all squished now.
Mummy likes chocolate chips, add however many you want, then mix a bits. Go microwave it for 70 seconds, go. Wow, it yummy. Decorate it how you like it. I wrote that, Mom. Candle for the mom. Light it.
Happy Mother's Day! Nice.